Hey there. If you're watching this, it means you're ready to make a real change in your life. And that's awesome. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful habits that successful people swear by, and trust me, these can transform your life too. Ready? Let's dive in. Habit number 1, wake up early. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not a morning person, but hear me out. Waking up even just an hour earlier gives you this magical quiet time. No distractions, no chaos. It's your time to plan your day, think clearly, and get ahead. Imagine sipping your coffee while the world is still asleep. Peaceful, right? Try it for a week and see how it changes your energy. Habit number 2, read daily. You don't need to read a whole book in one sitting. Just 10 to 20 pages a day can open your mind to new ideas, boost your creativity, and sharpen your thinking. Personally, Atomic Habits by James Clear changed the way I approach goals, and it can do the same for you. Habit number 3, exercise. Now, this doesn't mean hitting the gym for hours. Even a quick 10-minute walk or some stretching can release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals, and instantly lift your mood. Plus, it clears your mind, helping you focus better throughout the day. Habit number 4, journal. Writing down your thoughts might sound old school, but it's super powerful. When you jot down your goals, wins, or even struggles, you start understanding yourself better. It's like having a conversation with your own mind, helping you stay motivated and clear-headed. Habit number 5, limit social media. Let's be honest, scrolling endlessly can suck away hours without you even noticing. Set strict times to check your apps, and try to keep your focus during work or study. Your attention is gold. Protect it like treasure. So there you have it. 5 habits that are simple but incredibly effective. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to do all at once. Start small, pick one habit, and stick with it. Over time, these tiny changes will add up and change your life for the better. What habit are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips that help you grow. Thanks for watching, and remember, the journey of self-development is all about progress, not perfection. Keep going.